Welcome everyone. Today, we're going to explore one of the most beautiful and gentle feelings in the world. Love. Love is not just a word. It's a language that the heart speaks, without sound, without words, and often without reason. It's the warm smile you give to someone on a difficult day, the silent support you offer when words aren't enough, and the small sacrifices you make without expecting anything in return. Love is not always about romance. It's about kindness, respect, patience, and understanding. It's in the care of a mother, the guidance of a father, the trust of a friend, and even in the kindness of a stranger. Real love grows stronger not in perfect moments, but in difficult ones, when we choose to stay, to forgive and to understand. Sometimes, love is simply being there, listening without judgment, holding someone's hand through their pain, or cheering for them even when they don't believe in themselves. It's about accepting someone's flaws and still choosing them every single day. True love is also about freedom. It doesn't control or demand. It lets people grow. It celebrates their dreams, and it supports them even when paths are different. Love teaches us that happiness shared is happiness doubled. And most importantly, love begins with you. When you learn to love and respect yourself, you create space to share that love with the world. Because the more love you give, the more it returns, in ways you never imagined. Let's explore a beautiful truth about love. It never truly ends. Imagine a love that transcends time and space, a connection that remains in our hearts long after the moments have passed. Think of the laughter shared, the dreams built together, and the quiet moments that spoke volumes. Even when circumstances change, love leaves an indelible mark on our souls. It teaches us resilience, compassion, and the importance of cherishing every moment. As we navigate life's ups and downs, let's remember that love can evolve. It may transform into cherished memories or inspire us to love again in new ways. The essence of love remains, guiding us and reminding us of the joy it brings. So, hold on to those beautiful memories and let them inspire you to spread love in your own life. Thank you for watching this video. If these words touched your heart, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more soft and motivational stories. Spread love, stay kind, and always believe in the power